fellow cat enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore the do's and don'ts of homemade cat food. As responsible pet owners, it's crucial for us to understand the potential risks associated with preparing homemade meals for our beloved feline friends. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Mistake number 1, neglecting nutritional balance. Cats have unique dietary requirements that differ from those of other animals. A well-balanced homemade cat food should include the right proportions of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to support their overall health. Failing to meet these nutritional needs can lead to various health issues, including malnutrition and organ failure. Mistake number 2, overlooking taurine supplementation. Taurine is an essential amino acid for cats that plays a vital role in maintaining heart health and vision. Unlike some other animals, cats cannot produce taurine on their own and must obtain it through their diet. Homemade cat food recipes should include taurine-rich ingredients or supplements to prevent deficiencies and related health problems. Not all human foods are safe for cats to consume. Ingredients like onions, garlic, and chocolate are toxic to cats and can lead to severe health issues or even death. It's crucial to carefully select safe and appropriate ingredients for your cat's diet. Just like humans, cats can develop food allergies or sensitivities. Homemade cat food should be tailored to your cat's specific dietary needs and free from any ingredients that may trigger allergic reactions. Overfeeding or underfeeding can have serious consequences for your cat's health. Homemade cat food portions should be carefully measured and adjusted based on your cat's age, weight, and activity level. Proper hygiene and food safety practices are essential when preparing homemade cat food. Always follow safe food handling guidelines to protect your cat's health. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining your cat's overall health. Ensure that your cat has access to fresh, clean water at all times, and consider incorporating wet food or adding water to their meals to increase hydration. Remember, your cat's health is a top priority, so let's make sure their homemade meals are both delicious and safe. Before diving into homemade cat food, consult with your veterinarian. They can provide valuable insights into your cat's specific nutritional needs and recommend appropriate recipes or supplements. Not all online recipes are reliable. It's crucial to critically evaluate sources and consult with veterinary professionals to ensure the safety and nutritional adequacy of the recipes you choose. Switching to homemade cat food requires careful observation. Keep an eye out for any signs of digestive issues, changes in weight, coat quality, or energy levels. Remember, your cat's health should always be a top priority. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into caring for your beloved feline friends. Take care and keep those kitties happy and healthy.